This conference was about IFSEC and Homeland Security India conference that we plan to do in India Expo Center, Greater Noida. This event is scheduled to be held from 1st to 3rd of November. This event in India was launched way back in 2007. So we have been doing this event for the last 5 years, and this event is in its 6th year. Last year we had close to 250 exhibitors who participated in the event from 20 different countries, and we had our Honorable Home Minister Mr. P. Chidambaram, who was our chief guest. So we have been doing this event very, very successfully for the last 5 years, and I see similar pattern this year as well. This year again we are expecting 250 plus exhibitors from 20 different countries. We are expecting 12,000 security professionals to attend the event. As I said, we are expecting exhibitors from 20 plus countries, and we have country pavilions from countries like China, Taiwan, US, UK, Canada, Poland. This year in the expo, besides getting a lot of system integrators to come and attend the event, we are also wanting a lot of the end users to come and attend the event. So we have clearly identified 7-8 key industry verticals, and we are targeting the chief security officers of those organizations to come and attend the event. So clearly the focus this year would also be to get the end users. We are event organizers, so we organize the exhibition. There are world-class technology companies who come and showcase their product there. And obviously these products would get consumed by the hotels or the airports, and things like that. So we get people from those organizations to come and attend the event.